Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Ayan guys, for today's video, I have another Andes. Ayan guys, so I have here, ayan, pink and black. So black, pink. Okay, so black and this one is pink. So unahin muna natin yung pink para naman mamaya na yung huli yung black. This one guys is large. Ayan. So, maganda yung tela nito guys is cotton. Cotton siya guys. And then, yan. Ganyan siya sa harap. Okay. And then, ganyan siya sa likod. This is very, very nice. I really like it. Ayan. Ganyan. Okay. Ganyan siya. Maganda ang quality. Good quality. And okay. I really like it. Maganda talaga siya guys. And then, of course, fit ni siya sa akin. Okay. Very fit siya. And pack. This is high, this is low cut guys. Ito yung mga sinaunang panty, okay? But anyway, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like and subscribe and share. Comment heart if you like my video, okay? Ito yung first. And then the second one is, ayan, this one. Pares bagay sila sa damit ko, okay? Black also, black and white stripe naman siya. Ayan, maganda siya guys. Yung sa likod, sa harap is ganyan. Maganda yung partner talaga sila, no? Sorry, nagkataon lang yan. Hindi ko naman sinadya. Okay, ganyan sa likod, sa loob. Comfy, very comfy siya. Oo. So, naalala ko isang pack pala itong nabili ko. So, mga ganito to sila. So, ganyan siya, guys. Okay? Tell me which one is better, the pink one or the black one. And so, let me know in the comment section. Okay? Suot na natin sila guys because I am really excited to wear this. Ayan. So, let's go para naman. So excited to wear this. Let's go. It's very cute. Ayan. Maganda talaga siya. And then high waist siya guys. So, yan. Maganda. And then good quality also. Cotton siya. 100% cotton. Ayan, ganito siya sa likod. I like it also. Ganyan sa likod pack. Maganda yung kanyang quality. Ayan. I really like it. Ayan siya. Maganda siya. Pink and gray din siya. Pink and gray. Ayan. I like it also when it comes dito sa likod. Ayan. Maganda ang quality, ang linings niya dito is maganda din. Okay. Okay kaayo siya guys. I like it. Tingnan natin yung puti kasi pareho sila nun eh. Pareho ng kulay ng damit ko. Ayan. So, it's nice, right? Sige, suot na natin isa guys. Let's go. So guys, ito yung last one. Ayan, black and white. So, maganda siya guys. Partner siya dito. Wow, I really like it. It's very, very cute. Ayan. Ganda siya. I like it. So, tell me which one is better. Ito or yung pink ha? Ayan, ganyan siya guys sa likod. Ganda din siya sa likod guys. Ganda siya guys. Yan. Ganyan siya sa harap. Dito, maganda siya sa likod. Very nice, good quality. Ayan. Like and subscribe. Ayan. Comment and share. Thank you for watching. I like it. Ayan, maganda siya guys, right? Thank you for watching. I love you all.